Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Chicken lollipops or drums of heaven coated with the spicy and lip smacking Schezwan sauce. We will be cooking this popular Indo-Chinese appetizer in the air fryer. In a large bowl, take about 500 grams of chicken lollipops. Marinate them with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, or you can use white vinegar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix well. Leave it to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours or overnight. Before you start cooking, preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. In the meantime, add 2 tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to the marinated chicken. Mix well. Grease the air fryer grill well so that the lollipops don't stick. Add in the chicken lollipops and baste them well with oil. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Turn over the lollipops and baste them well again. Cook them for another 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or until well done. To finish, baste them well with Schezwan sauce and cook them for another 2 minutes on both sides. The air-fried Schezwan chicken lollipops are ready to serve. Serve them hot with Schezwan chutney or a dip of your choice. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.